SatoshiVM is another highly anticipated airdrop that their testnet just went live today. So in today's video, I'll walk you through a step-by-step process where we can do some tasks in the testnet and hopefully qualify for this upcoming airdrop. This video is going to be short and straight to the point, so without wasting any time, let's go ahead and jump in and start the tasks. Before I get started, I just quickly want to mention all the necessary links are going to be down in the description so you can perform these tasks. So what is SatoshiVM? SatoshiVM is a decentralized Bitcoin layer 2 solution compatible with Ethereum virtual machines ecosystem using native BTC as gas. SatoshiVM bridges the EVM ecosystem with Bitcoin, enabling Bitcoin ecosystem to issue assets and develop applications. Now that we know what SatoshiVM is, what are the two necessary things that we need in order to complete these testnet tasks? Well, the first thing we're going to need is a Unisat wallet, and also we're going to need an Ethereum wallet. I'm going to be using MetaMask as my Ethereum wallet, so let's get started. If you do not have a Unisat wallet, you can download at unisat.io and just go ahead and download the Chrome extension by clicking on Add to Chrome. This is how Unisat extension wallet looks like. So go ahead and click on create a wallet, create a password, write down the seed phrases, and store it in a safe place where you'll be able to find it. Now that we have our seed phrases written down, let's go ahead and click on native SegWit right here and click continue. And this is how it looks like. Once we get to this point right here where we have our wallet created, we're going to go ahead and select settings down at the bottom, click on networks and switch networks to testnet network. Our wallet is ready to go. It's switched to testnet. So we're going to go ahead and request some Bitcoin testnet from the Faucet by copying the address right here. And we're simply going to paste it right here and request. As we can see here, we can request this much at a time. So let's switch this to 2, send testnet Bitcoin, and the address will go down into queue, and you're going to have to wait about 10-15 minutes till you receive your testnet tokens. I also suggest you do this few times because you're going to need more than 0.0001 in order to bridge in the next step. So let's go ahead and request some more. Don't be greedy with these guys because there are other people that need to get these testnet tokens as well. While we're still waiting for these to process, we can go ahead and set up our MetaMask wallet. We'll need to add SatoshiVM testnet to our MetaMask wallet. These are all the necessary inputs. If you want to do it manually, you can also go to SatoshiVM Testnet Explorer and scroll down here to the bottom. Click on Add Satoshi Testnet. Your MetaMask will open, and you can add it this way. And this will be a quicker way to add it to your MetaMask wallet. Going to go ahead and click on approve and switch the network. We have our SatoshiVM here, but we also need to enable the testnet right here, the Sepolia testnet. And we need to get some faucets as well. So if we go to Sepolia faucet, we can claim some here, Sepolia ETH to be exact. I'm going to copy the Sepolia ETH address, come to the faucet and paste it here and click on start mining. We do not need a lot of Sepolia ETH, so you can just mine a little bit so we can have some for some gas fees. Once our BTC testnet has arrived into our wallet and we have some money to spend, we're going to go ahead to SatoshiVM Bridge, and we're going to go ahead and bridge that BTC from Bitcoin testnet to SatoshiVM testnet. The way we're going to proceed with that is simply by connecting our wallet, connect our MetaMask wallet, and we're going to connect our Unisat wallet at the same time. Once both wallets are connected, we can see our balance right here, and we're going to simply make a bridge between the two. Remember, you do not have to bridge the total amount that you have in your wallet. We're simply bridging a small amount so we have a history that we have bridged on SatoshiVM testnet. So I'm going to go ahead and bridge a little over half, maybe half of the amount that I have, which is 0.0001. Go ahead and click on deposit, and our Unisat wallet should pop up, and we're going to sign that transaction. Remember, don't bridge the whole amount because you're going to have to leave some in your wallet for the fees. As we can see here, the transactions has been sent. We're simply going to go ahead and click on back, And down here, we can see the estimated time that this transaction will go through is between 30 to 60 minutes. We have done the bridge. We can move on to the next step. Come down here and request some SAVM tokens from the Faucet. The MetaMask is going to pop up. We're going to confirm the transaction, and we're going to add the token to the wallet by clicking on add TSMV token to the wallet, add token. Now we can see the tokens that we just mined from the Faucet down here, the TSAMV tokens. They showed up, it's right here. So what we can do now is click on bridge, and we can bridge from Ethereum Sepolia to Satoshi Testnet. And as you can see right here, we can go ahead and click on the max, because that's exactly what I have in the wallet right here. Right here. Go ahead and click on deposit, and we're going to go ahead and approve the transaction in the MetaMask. This is first step. Click on next and approve. Second step is to confirm it again. And now we have completed that transaction. It has been sent. That pretty much does it for depositing the Ethereum Sepolia into Satoshi Testnet. And if you further want to interact with the bridge, you can actually reverse it by clicking on withdraw and hitting on max. We can see right here, and you can reverse it back. That is pretty much all we can do on the bridge side. We can deposit and withdraw back and forth, but remember, every time you do that, it's going to cost you some Sepolia ETH. So you want to make sure you still have some Sepolia ETH for gas. If we look into SatoshiVM docs, we can see that they're going to have a swap feature in the future, but this swap feature is not available right now. One last thing that we can do is come to the Ape terminal and participate in the lottery. Well, we give you a chance to actually have the opportunity to buy $1,000 of SMV token at the extremely low price when it comes out. So the way you do that is connect your wallet, click on MetaMask. Remember, you're not signing the transaction here, you just registering your wallet. So proceed by clicking next, connect, sign with Ethereum, and approve that in MetaMask as well. Once that is signed, we can scroll down to SatoshiVM and click on participate now. And up here, we can click on participate now. That is pretty much it. Congratulations, you have been registered in the IDO. So you have that small chance to win, but you never know. It is worth a try, because if you do get that chance to participate with $1,000 of buying the SAMV token at an extremely low price, you can actually flip that $1,000 into $2,000 or $3,000 at an extremely short period of time. That is all I have for you guys today with this SatoshiVM airdrop. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, I would appreciate if you subscribe to the channel and like the content.